Do you know the meaning of this AveryG's remedium? Elizade University has 3 faculty buildings which we'll be looking into today. But first, let's see what is outside the faculty. And moving down to the university center, we have the cafeteria, cyber cafe, bookshop, indoor sport halls, and mail room. For the banks, we have Wema Bank and Polaris. And also in the university center, we have the Elizade Chapel, Catholic Church, and also the mosque. Coming towards the first faculty building, we have the Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences. Dude, this is awesome. Okay, let's move to Mr. Engineering.
No.
Okay, let's move to Faculty of Law. This is the Faculty of Law. Oops, we forgot about something. Do you know the meaning of this AveryG's remedium? If you know that, tell us in the comment section so that we can all know, because I personally don't know. Yes? Okay, Mr. Engineer is calling us. Come on, let's go. Wow. This is stunning. This is the Faculty of Engineering and Environmental Sciences. Engineering is always different from other faculties. Let's see what is inside this faculty.
I think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. Stepping over stars to the colored lights. Is the whole world gray, or am I too blind to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not? Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. Cause
is the longest step in the university? Since I came to the university, I haven't figured out how many steps it has. But count it to me and let's see how many steps it has. I'll leave you here. If you come to the university, you'll count it yourself.